New details tonight. Scientists are warning a new Omicron subvariant may be the most transmissible one to date.
Yeah, doctors are urging Americans to protect themselves with the latest booster shot. The CDC also warning some in major cities to mask up inside, and here's why.
A new year and a new COVID subvariant is driving up COVID-19 cases. The World Health Organization is calling XBB.1.5 the most transmissible subvariant detected yet.
It does have a growth advantage above all of the other subvariants so far. We don't have any data on severity yet or on the clinical picture.
New CDC data shows cases, hospitalizations, and deaths are trending upward at a time of the year when hospitals are already feeling the strain.
Our ER is at full capacity, and so is our hospital with critical care beds.
With about 1/4 of Americans living in high COVID-19 counties, the CDC is urging indoor masking in New York, Miami, Boston, and even Fort Worth.
I try to just keep going and do what I need to do to try to stay safe.
Experts say the number one thing most people can do is to get the latest booster.
The new bivalent vaccine, this is the new one that we updated in September, does seem to provide a good degree of protection against infection and terrific protection against serious illness.
U.S. officials are also concerned about the growing COVID crisis in China and a lack of information sharing.
One of the things that China is not doing is sharing its genomic surveillance data. Every other country does.
Officials say that withholding makes it harder for the scientific community to spot new variants as they emerge.
Well, let's look at the numbers now. The Ohio Department of Health reported nearly 14,000 new cases. That's an increase of more than 800 from last week. And ODH reported more than 700 new hospitalizations, which is 100 more than the week before. Now, I did speak with Ohio Department of Health Director Dr. Bruce Vanderhoff this week. He has this message for everyone on this variant.
Really, the question for us should be is how well protected are we, though, from severe illness? And our vaccines are holding up very well in that regard. You know, when it comes to masking, masks continue to offer some important value and benefit.
And we also checked the CDC transmission map today, and Franklin, Delaware, Madison, Pickaway, Fayette, and Ross counties are all in a medium spread level. That means the CDC recommends wearing a mask indoors.